In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on captions on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you ever watch videos on X and want to make them easier to follow, captions can be a huge help. They're especially useful in noisy places, when you're watching without sound, or when you just want to catch every word more clearly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your X account. You can do this on desktop or in the mobile app, but for this example, we'll focus on the video player itself. Once you're signed in, find the video you want to watch and open it. This can be a video in your feed, on a profile, or in a post you've searched for. Next, move your cursor over the video player. On X, the controls usually appear when you hover over the video, so don't worry if you don't see them right away. Look around the bottom of the player for the playback options. If captions are available for that video, you should see a CC button, which stands for Closed Captions. Click that CC button once to turn captions on. As soon as you do, the subtitles should appear on the video and stay visible while the video plays. That's it. Captions are now enabled for that specific video. If you want to turn them off, just click the CC button again. Now, there's an important detail to keep in mind. If you do not see a CC button at all, that usually means the video does not have captions available. In that case, there is nothing wrong with your settings. The creator may simply not have uploaded captions for that video. So if one video doesn't offer captions, try another video on X that supports them. The availability of captions depends on the video itself, not just your account settings. Also, keep in mind that captions can only be turned on for videos that already include caption support from the creator. Not every video on X has this feature, so if you're not seeing the option, that's usually the reason. The process is very quick once you know where to look. Log into X, open a video, hover over the player, and click CC if it appears. And if the CC button isn't there, just move on to a different video that supports captions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.